Hi and welcome to my very next video on PostgreSQL. So in this video I'll be talking about how to install PostgreSQL and PgAdmin. So these two softwares are basically the instances or requirements for you to be able to let's say run your SQL queries. And in order for us to move forward with these requirements, all we have to do is to install first the PostgreSQL and then the PgAdmin. In order for you to do that, you have to go to the browser, your preference, your whatever browser you would like to prefer. So I'm gonna go to google.com and I would just write PostgreSQL download. Once you write that, there's gonna be a page, various websites that provides you with the exe file, but I would recommend to download this file from the official website of PostgreSQL, which is at the very top section of your page, PostgreSQL. So click on download PostgreSQL or PostgreSQL. I would say PostgreSQL, which is a little bit easy to pronounce. So like you can see different packages and installers for your operating system. Whichever you want, you can install that one. Based on your own system. If you have Linux or Mac OS, so I'm using Windows, so I'm gonna go forward or move forward with Windows. So I'm gonna click on Windows. So this page will show you some interactive installer by ABD information only, and it doesn't have anything more special, just the information, platform support. Like it shows you what versions are currently available for now. And so all you have to do is to click on download the installer. Once you click on download the installer, it will redirect you to another page, which is the EBD official page. So that's also related to the PostgreSQL. So once you're in this page, we can see we have the very latest version of 14.2 of PostgreSQL version, and you can install it both for Linux or Mac OS or whatever operating system do you have right now. So I'm gonna go with Windows. So once you click on Windows, it will maybe just take a few seconds to load that for you. Sometimes it takes a bit of time, but you don't have to worry about it. So once you click on it, it will just allow you to move forward. So I'm gonna download the setup on my desktop. It's a very, basically it's a very easy setup, I would say, easy installation, like typical installation, I would say. So as you can see, this setup is now downloaded. You have to just click on it and there should be a prompt or something. Yeah, so it said, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? I would say yes, because for me this will allow me to determine, move with the setup and configuration. So once I said yes, it will take a few seconds again to load out. Yeah, there you go. So click on next, and installation directory, of course it's where do you want to install the setup and stuff. So I would say on drive C, and then again. So for this section it's very important, leave it as it is. Do not uncheck anything in this part. Just click on next, and then there's gonna be a data directory. So I would leave it as it is as well. So I'm gonna say next, then next, and then you will supposed to maybe receive a prompt. Sometimes it happens because I used to use Postgres. What do you say? The PgAdmin. So I would say yes. If this message didn't appear on your page, you don't have to worry. Just you can. That's a normal process. If you're seeing that message, it's okay. Just press OK. So it will take a few seconds. I will pause the video. Once this is done, I will just come back. Alright, this doesn't pause, by the way. Alright, so we're done with the installation first. So for this part of the PostgreSQL installation, just uncheck this one for some reason. I don't want to, launch the stack builder. I'm gonna just finish with this part. So once you're done, we can now perhaps go to again Google. Just make it easy for you. I was doing like this. So I'm gonna go and now install PgAdmin. All right, PgAdmin download. All right, so this is the official page for PgAdmin. Like again, you have to use the official website for downloading the setup. So again, in the download section, you would come across some information, and of course, I just want this setup for my computer. For the Windows operating system. So I'm gonna click on Windows. Once you click on Windows, so as you can see, there are a couple of released setups. The very recent one is on January 13, 2022. So all I'm gonna do is to click on this one, PgAdmin4 version 6. So once you click on that, it will bring you to another page. So as you can see, so there are like the directories, the files and stuff. So just don't make it very tough for yourself. Just click on PgAdmin and exe. So once you see this exe file, it means this is the installer. For most of you, you'll be familiar with this with the situation. So I'm going to click on exe file. Once I click on exe file, I will just click on save. So there you go. It will just take us a few seconds to download the setup. All right, so once the setup is downloaded, there will be a couple of steps as we did for PostgreSQL. We will follow along with the PgAdmin as well. All right, so it will take a few seconds. All right, so there you go. It's now installed. There we go. So click on PgAdmin, and it will bring you an installer. All right, so this is the recommended way. So just you're using it because that's why. All right, next I accept the agreement and the path, of course. All right, so I used to have this PostgreSQL, the PgAdmin set up in the past, so I'm just for the sake of video, I'm doing it again just so you guys could understand this. All right, I would say, okay, yes, do it, and then next, install. So this would take some seconds, so I will pause the video until we are done with this. All right, so we're done with the installation, and that was very easy for you, I believe. So I'm gonna hit finish. So once you're done with installation, I'm gonna go and search for PgAdmin. So I've got the app and the so this is the app that I have on my desktop. So I'm gonna click on PgAdmin4 version 6. So this is the application, I would say, the platform for you to be able to continue with your further configuration. So this is it about PostgreSQL and PgAdmin. In the very next video, I'll be showing you some okay, my phone. So I will be showing you some basic configuration, how to configure your PgAdmin, and then how to use the database that we will be doing practice and making videos with. So there is a database that would allow you to work on it. There's a database that you can do some sort of SQL queries. So we'll just head up to that one. Thank you very much for following along.